Hey guys, welcome back to another Mike's Visions. Tonight's video can be an easy one. We're gonna weld for the first time. Never welded before. Do I know what I'm doing? Absolutely not. Should you take any advice that I'm doing? Absolutely not. Am I gonna act like I know what I'm doing? Yeah. But do I know? No. No clue. I do know that this thing generates a lot of electricity. I know that some little kid in China probably assembled this thing, so what's the worst that's gonna happen? All right, guys. Well, let me show you what I'm gonna be using tonight. So, got a pair of gloves we're gonna be using. We're gonna weld on this just to practice on this. Gonna try out my freaking new welding mask. So, yeah, let's get into it. All right. Well, I got my ground hooked up. I got the death machine on. I got my gear on. So, got my stinger right here. Well, let's see what happens. I have never welded before in my entire life. I think I gotta turn this thing down. I think I got my adjustment all wrong. Try this again. Yeah. Huh. Hold up. Let's give this another shot. I think I just blew my breaker. Hold on. All right. Well, I just fixed the breaker, so I turned the machine down. Let's see if that helped. Oh. All right. Oh. Got a fire. Fire out. Huh? Let's see what we did. There it is. Let's see. So it looks like I went too fast and I need to slow down and everything like that, because you could see like it's not a nice even freaking weld and stuff like that. But you know, then again, for my very first time ever welding, I'm gonna take this as a success. So, all right, guys, let's get ready to see more welding videos. All right, well, all in all, what do I think? I think welding's gonna be cool. I'm gonna do some welding on the mini bike here pretty quick. So just gotta do a quick little test and stuff like that. I'm gonna take this That's a success. It's kind of hot. Ow. Alrighty, guys. Well, make sure to like and subscribe if you guys want to see more of these welding videos and more mini bike videos. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Alright, guys. Have a good night.